Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'll be teaching you this look, which is so simple yet beautiful. And by adding only one shade, you will transform your day look into a glamorous night party look. So let's get started. I already done my brow and my eye base for my makeup. This brush is from Morphe brushes and known as Big Fluffy Blending Brush. Taking this nude brown shade from MORPHEXJACYLHILL palette. And starting from my crease, I am using this shade as a transition. By adding shade gradually, here I am intensifying my crease shade. Taking this darker brown shade, applying over my transition shade for creating some depth to my eye. Again, taking this darkest brown shade and layering over my transition shade. You can see that by layering, my shade looks so blended and smoky. This brush is from drugstore and known as Fluffy Angled Brush. Mixing these two shades and applying on my lower lash line. This gold pencil is from RIMMEL Cosmetics and applying it to my waterline and tide line as well. This mascara is from RIMMEL Cosmetics. Applying it to my lashes. This brush is from BH Cosmetics and known as Pointed Pencil Brush. Taking this highlighting shade, applying it to my inner corner and highlighting my brow bone as well. This is my daytime look, but wait, you can create this look into glamorous one, just keep on watching. This brush is from Morphe brushes and known as tapered blending brush. Taking this darkest brown shade, applying it to my lid and blending it as well. You can see I am blending the shade in upward direction to make it look more smokier. This brush is from Morphe brushes and known as short blending brush. Taking this neutral shade and blending my crease with that shade. Applying eyeliner. If you wanted to watch some of my eyeliner tutorials, just click on the I button link. This brush is from Morphe brushes and known as short smudger brush. Taking the same dark brown shade and smoking out my lower lash line, and this is the glamorous look. This one or that one? Which one do you like? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification for more videos.